Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Having trouble with weak Wi-Fi signals at home? This D-Link DHP-W306AV setup guide will show you exactly how to install and configure your Powerline Wi-Fi extender. Follow along as we explain each setup step in a simple and easy to understand way. This tutorial is ideal for beginners and includes everything from connecting the device to accessing the setup page and configuring wireless settings. Watch until the end for useful troubleshooting tips and best placement recommendations. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the DHP-W306AV into a wall outlet near your router during the initial setup. Wait about 1 minute for the device to boot completely. Verify that the power LED is solid green. Tip: always plug the extender directly into a wall outlet. Avoid power strips, surge protectors, and extension cords. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Blink XXXX. The default Wi-Fi name and password are on a label or setup card in the box. Open a browser and go to http://dlinkcap.local or type 192.168.0.50 in the address bar. On the login page, type admin as the username. Leave the password blank, or use the one on the label if required, then click Login. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next and follow the prompts. Select your existing Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend, then enter its password. You can keep the suggested network name, usually your Wi-Fi name with EXT at the end, or change it. The DHP-W306AV will save the settings. The device may reboot automatically. This process can take 1 to 2 minutes. Do not unplug the extender during this time. Once setup is successful, unplug the DHP-W306AV. Move it to the room where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it directly into a wall outlet. Wait for the power line and wireless LEDs to become stable. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Click Finish. The extender will save your settings and restart. Once setup is complete and the LED is solid green, unplug it and move it to